Star Cement will officially sponsor the Shillong Lajong FC, one of the premier football clubs in Northeast India. This was announced by Star Cement officials on Monday. As part of this partnership, Star Cement will provide essential support for the club's ongoing initiatives, youth development programs and community engagement activities. Managing Director of Shillong Lajong, Larsing Ming Saoyan, welcomed the initiative with a hope that this partnership will help Lajong pursue its goal of taking football in Meghalaya and our northeast region forward.
Shillong Lajong FC rise higher.
We are very happy and delighted to be associated with such an iconic establishment like Star Cement, and we look forward to this partnership. And we believe that this partnership, this association will benefit the football in Meghalaya and also football in the Northeast.
The Nongstoin College celebrated its graduation